Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara from No Sleep Boutique. And do y'all notice anything? Cereal, 2Ps. This is gonna be one of our, new collections. We're gonna have Fruity Pebbles, Apple Jacks, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Lucky Charms. But this is the Cocoa Pebbles 2Ps. And this is the loose version, y'all. Giving a little cheeks for weeks. Yes, and I was trying to wait on the I have another Cocoa Pebbles 2-piece coming in a spandex version, but I think I'm gonna put out the loose version because this is good. Yeah, but I did put in for a spandex version in this. I did a poll on Instagram, and most of y'all said y'all like the spandex than loose, but once y'all see this loose one, like the quality is good. I'm wearing a size extra large. I'm a size large, but I decided to order, a size up just to really, test the size. So yeah, so I can go a size down. It's very loose. Let's see. The shorts. Yep, it's very loose, but I'll just do another video when the 2-piece spandex version comes. But yeah, I'm definitely dropping this soon. Yeah, and I also ordered the socks, but I don't like the socks because once you stretch it out, it turns white. But I think that's with all socks. It depends on the material. So I got another pair coming by a different, manufacturer. They're probably going to be the same. But if they are, then I'll probably just do solid socks if I decided to do socks anyway. But yeah, check this 2-piece out. It's so cute. So cute and loose. I am shocked, y'all, about the material. I am so shocked about this material. I didn't think it was going to be that good, but yeah. Yeah, y'all, so this gonna be coming probably today. Today is the 11th, September 11th. Probably today, but yeah. Yeah, and I'll do another video maybe on the spandex version. All right, like, comment, subscribe for more. Bye-bye.